Welcome back to the channel, everybody. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the interior door handle on this 4th gen Ram. Now what I have here is a black handle on this truck, and I'm upgrading it to a chrome handle. And I've done the other sides already. I have done the fronts already. It's super easy to do. Just gives it a better look. It matches the truck much better. Just gives it kind of a luxury feel to it. And you can also do it the other way around. If you have chrome and you want to do black, that can also be accomplished. Super easy to do. Let's get started. Here I have some spare handles off a different truck. Here's a chrome one, and here's a black one. So essentially all it is just covers over the handle. This is what the actual handle looks like. And this one obviously had a black cover over it. There's a couple tabs at the bottom and top, and it is glued to the handle itself. So all we are going to be doing is removing the black covers on the truck and replacing it with a chrome cover. And all you really need is a cover. I don't think anybody sells just the covers for these. You might be able to get them through a dealership, but it's cheaper just to buy the whole handle online, take the cover off, and replace them with the ones on your truck. To change these door handle or the door handle cover, you don't need to remove the door panel completely. All we'll be removing is this bezel around the door handle itself. So you want to take a small screwdriver. There's a button. You want to go ahead, these will pull out, completely remove just like that. And there's a Phillips head screw underneath of that. We need to go ahead and remove that. So once that screw is removed, this bezel will come out with a flathead screwdriver, just like so. And you can remove that bezel. Now you're able to see the whole handle cover on this. Now if you look at the bottom of this, the door handle, holding it open, you want to stick a screwdriver right in here. That's the tabs that holds them, just to kind of separate it from the handle itself. Spread the tabs apart, and you want to take a hook tool right in between the handle and that shaft and try to pry it out this way. And you can see it just snapping off just like that. There's a little bit of a grease, and it is kind of double stick taped to the handle here. Black cover off. Again, you can see where this tab lines up at the bottom here. You can see that at the bottom edge of the handle. And on top, you can see these two prongs. That's what locks it in to this shaft here onto the handle itself. So once you have those apart, that'll easily come off. Here is our new chrome handle. Now there's double stick tape, probably won't stick again, so I put a few dabs of emblem glue or plastic glue inside of it. So inserting this, you want to go ahead and insert the front tip in first. That locks around, and it'll just go right over where the original was. And once you push it in, it will lock in. You'll hear the tabs click in, and our new handle is on. Once the glue sets in, it'll be perfectly cured right on there, just like your original was. And here we have a chrome handle. Now all we need to do is get our bezel back in, and our Phillips head screw and the cover on top of it, and we'll finish that up. So here it is. That's our finished up chrome handle now. And I've done rest of them to match these. I just think they look better than the black. Not a big deal, but I had one that was actually completely discolored, the black one. Somebody must have put some glue or something on it at one point, and that's why I ended up changing him to the chrome. Anyhow, you are able to get these bezels in different color if you want to do that. You can paint them different color, and it just totally changes the look and the feel of the interior door handles on these Rams. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up and a like. I thank you for watching.